What knowledge should I have to start learning deep learning? Here is a list of knowledge and skills you need to understand how deep learning works: linear algebra, statistics and probability, calculus, and programming. If you have no prior experience in any of these, it may take a very long time, even before you start building a basic neural network. But really, do we need to study all these to start learning deep learning? We'll use PyTorch. So, what's the absolute minimum we should know to start building a simple neural network with PyTorch? First, we should know how to use PyTorch tensors to handle linear algebra operations. PyTorch tensors can take advantage of GPU computing as well. We will use the sigmoid and softmax layers to perform probability calculations. PyTorch's automatic differentiation handles the calculus, so we don't need to calculate gradients manually. Finally, we should know some Python programming basics to work with PyTorch. Overall, the list of requirements doesn't look so bad, does it? We can learn most of them along the way. So let's get started.